Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to copy conditional formatting in Google Sheets. First, click and drag to select the cell or range of cells that already have conditional formatting rules. Next, click Format in the top menu, then select Conditional Formatting. You'll see the rules appear in the sidebar. For this example, we have a heat map that applies a red to green highlight to scores from low to high values. You can copy the conditional formatting of the range of cells by right-clicking within the selection. From the menu that appears, click Copy. Then, click and drag to select the new range where you want to apply the same formatting. Right-click within the selection, hover over Paste Special, then select Conditional Formatting Only from the drop-down that appears. The conditional formatting rules will be applied to the new cells. So, that is how you copy conditional formatting in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.